What is the correlation between ocean warming and carbon emissions? If you're curious about how ocean warming and carbon emissions are connected, you're about to uncover some critical information that affects our entire planet. Let's start with the basics. Oceans cover about 71% of the Earth's surface and are a vital part of our climate system. They absorb a significant amount of the carbon dioxide, CO2, we release into the atmosphere through activities like burning fossil fuels. In fact, the oceans have absorbed about 27% of the CO2 produced by human activities every year, which is a staggering amount. Now here's where things get interesting. When CO2 is absorbed by the ocean, it doesn't just disappear, it changes the chemistry of the water. This process, known as ocean acidification, makes the seawater more acidic. This is bad news for many marine organisms, especially those with calcium carbonate shells and skeletons like corals, clams, and snails. The increased acidity dissolves these shells and skeletons, making it harder for these creatures to survive. But that's not all. The absorption of CO2 and the resulting ocean acidification are closely linked to ocean warming. Here's how it works. When we release CO2 into the atmosphere, it traps heat, leading to global warming. The ocean, being a massive heat sink, absorbs about 90% of this excess heat. This warming of the ocean has several consequences, including increased stratification, changes in ocean currents, and more frequent extreme weather events like hurricanes and marine heat waves. As the ocean warms, it becomes less efficient at absorbing CO2. Warmer waters can hold less CO2, which means the ocean's ability to act as a carbon sink is weakening. This is a concerning trend because if the ocean absorbs less CO2, more of it stays in the atmosphere, exacerbating global warming. The impact on marine life is significant. Rising ocean temperatures cause fish species to migrate to cooler waters, affecting fishing communities and economies. Additionally, warmer oceans can lead to oxygen-depleted dead zones where marine life struggles to survive. In summary, the correlation between ocean warming and carbon emissions is clear. As we release more CO2 into the atmosphere, the ocean absorbs it, leading to ocean acidification and warming. These changes have far-reaching consequences for marine ecosystems, global weather patterns, and ultimately, human health and economies. Understanding this connection is crucial for addressing climate change and ensuring the health of our oceans.